As you can see, today is the day I am actually doing the door knob hole. So far, so good. Wasn't easy to do with this door, and it fits tight. I still need to adjust the tumbler hole just a little bit because it's a little tight, but I got my deadbolt in and she is working good. Like I said, I just need to adjust the actual hole for the lock itself. Otherwise, I have to use two hands to push in to open and lock it. View from the inside. Opens, shuts with me having to hold onto the handle. That's a temporary handle just for now, but she works. Yay me!